Yeah. If I could press pause or fast forward through the hardest visions of my homies chilling with a 40 in their mouth. We from down south and we don't give a fuck what you say. What, homie? What's up? I'm up in the game, doing my thing. Homie, fame comes easily to me. I'm a graffiti artist, hitting trains. Y'all see me going out the state. I'm cashing, putting money in the bank. And I'm sipping on a full tank. Yeah, you know me, I got a bottle full of drink. Yeah, I got dreams in my mind, but they died, so I'm sitting here trying to get my life right. I'll be sipping too much. I'll be sitting, smoking too much. I'll be fucked up, living my life like a sad story. Just another OG on the storyboard, huh? Yeah, no remorse for these motherfuckers that be trying to swing them swords. I know motherfuckers that are pulling knives these days because they ain't got the balls to go up in your face and be like, "This, homie, what's up with that? I don't need a fucking gat to blast. I blow your chest out with my own hand, homie, what's up with this? Because I flow like I'm pissed. If I could press pause or fast forward through the hardest visions of my homies getting out of life inside, they be locked up, but I'm fucked up living free, cause those cops ain't gonna catch me with the crown to my name. See, I be rocking this shit like the mic is my scepter. I'm a king and I'm living helter-skelter like Phil Spector. Yeah, y'all see me making spectacles. I'll chop off all your testicles. I have no soul, I'm empty. I'm an empty motherfucker. I'm a whole and hollow human husk and wish that humans I could trust, but I'm just too fucked up. I rust, I bust, I trust. Let these motherfuckers know what's up with the flows I kick. Living this life of mine explicit. Wishing y'all could hit this shit. Now y'all never be able to fuck with this, homie. I'm Vice from the D Street, DPRC, acapella when I flow, homie. Keep it keen, keep it clean, keep it explicit, in fact, cause I'll be yelling too many cuss words at your ass.